Oh yeah. Okay, so I just got a whole load of awesome stuff, but the main thing I really want to focus on today is gonna be this. The Eachine QX65. And I'm pretty happy about it. This is gonna be my micro quad, and yeah, let's see how it flies, I guess. Okay, so this thing's pretty fun. I really like it. As you can see from the giant multi-day homework montage, I've been flying this thing a lot, so that's pretty good. It's definitely worth my money, and yeah, I just typically, this has basically just become my study buddy because I just use this to get a quick FPV fix, just as a homework break, etc. And I typically work very late in the middle of the night, so there's typically no one there. But when I do encounter people, I usually get some pretty funny reactions. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And yeah, otherwise, I accidentally got my friend Armand addicted to FPV when I showed him this, and now he's on simulator. That's pretty cool. And I'd like to say that I definitely won't be using this to replace my main setup that I take on FPV adventures, because first, this doesn't HD record, and second, it doesn't really have the power to actually do tricks and flips and these kind of things. I actually don't like that a lot, and yeah, I guess that's it. I'm sorry to anyone who really thinks that I should invest in a higher quality whoop, maybe a brushless whoop or official Jesse Perkins whoop, but right now I'm just not quite willing to invest that much into something of this class size, because currently the dorm managers here might just ban this at any moment, which kind of sucks. I actually tested it on my head to see what would happen when I crash at my face, but I don't really know if that'll actually hold up as good evidence that this is actually safe or not, but yeah, I guess that's it.